Okay, gonna do another Nintendo voice. This is going to be when I go to my cons, and this will be this. Right now, it's on the first con that I'll go to. So there's recorded some really funny stuff. So let's get it started. Of course, my laugh. We'll do the next one.
Oh, look, over there, it's a fur pile. Man, who knew about you? Wow.
Sorry if I laugh at my own stuff, but like I said on the last one, it's damn funny.
Give me a paw to the left and a paw to the right, and I'll pick your neighbor's nose. Left paw up, right paw up. Now give a swift kick in the right between the tail. Where am I? This sign says furry con, but there's so many fluffy, cute things wrapped. Oh my God, what is this thing? This pile of cute things. What?
That's when I encounter fur piles.
First con, and all I get is this lousy tag on my ear that hurt when they put it on. Ouch.
And of course, that's when I get my first tagging on my suit when I register. And the last one, yeah.
I'm too sexy for the camera. I'm too sexy too for the camera. Take lots of pictures of me. Duty.
So that's pretty much it. So I'll do one with all of the sounds. I know that the first you've already heard them all now, but just thought, what the heck, why not just do them all now that I've got everything, all of the slots recorded now.
It's a foxy lady. Foxy lady, yeah. It's Grr. Can I play with you, please? Oh, but I want piggies. No, you get Doom Juice. Girl, what did you do? Why did the fuel run out so quickly? That's because I replaced it with Cheese Whiz. Ooh, you want some? You idiot, girl. Now how are we supposed to get home? I will take over the world. Invader Zim. I leave you to your moosey fate. Oh, look, over there, it's a fur pile. Man, who knew about you? Wow. Give me a paw to the left and a paw to the right, and I'll pick your neighbor's nose. Left paw up, right paw up. Now give a swift kick in the right between the tail. Where am I? The sign says FurryCon, but there's so many fluffy, cute things around. Oh my god, what is this thing? This pile of cute things. What? First con, and all I get is this lousy tag on my ear that hurt when they put it on. Ouch. I'm too sexy for the camera. I'm too sexy too for the camera. Take lots of pictures of me. Duty.